Am I taking too much? Am I talking too much? Am I fighting?
This amazing collection is by Manisha Thousand. Now I would like to call upon the beautiful and pretty showstopper Suhana Ghosh. She is the winner of Dazzle Global Indie Universe 2022. The beautiful and talented showstopper Suhana Ghosh. She is the winner of Dazzle Global India Universe 2022. Please put your hands together for Suhana Ghosh.
I'm talking with birds.
Kindly calling upon the designer of this collection, Manisha Thousand.
Changes of my metropolis. I give you my love.
And in order to felicitate her, I would like to call upon Kanti Gargi to come over the stage and felicitate our lovely designer, lovely and talented designer and beautiful showstopper, Suhana Ghosh. Calling upon Kanti Gargi all the way from Ranchi. She is a cabin crew